Big story coming in. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has submitted a letter to the chairman of Rajya Sabha, C.P. Radhakrishnan. And Amit Shah in this letter has listed out unacceptable conduct towards India's national song Vande Mataram in the past. And India Today has accessed that letter and its contents sent by Union Home Minister Amit Shah as a record of facts stated in his speech on Vande Mataram in Rajya Sabha. This letter came after Congress Party Member of Parliament Jairam Ramesh. He requested that Amit Shah, whatever he said, be authenticated, and that authenticated information about unacceptable incidents related to showing disrespect to the national song are submitted to Parliament to be placed on the table of the House, which the Home Minister had mentioned during his speech on the national song. So this list that India Today has accessed, it spans across multiple parties over multiple years from 2018 to 2025. And the parties, from the Congress Party to the Samajwadi Party to their leaders refusing to sing Vande Mataram, to state leaders objecting to its recital at official functions, at official events, from leaders of National Conference to RJD. So let me now get you that entire list here on India Today. The list includes names of Congress Party MP Imran Masood and National Conference leader Aga Syed Mehdi, and from Samajwadi Party MP Shafiqur Rahman Barq to Madhya Pradesh Congress MLA Arif Masood. The Home Minister's list carries two instances in the past 24 hours. Two specific instances mentioned just in the past 24 hours. For example, on the 8th of December 2025, Congress Party MP Imran Masood refused to sing Vande Mataram. He cited his religious beliefs, even the first two stanzas. On 8th of December 2025, again, National Conference leader Aga Syed Mehdi refused to sing the national anthem during the parliamentary discussion. Then in 2019, Samajwadi Party MP Shafiqur Rahman Barq, during his Lok Sabha oath-taking ceremony, and subsequently said he will not sing the Vande Mataram. In 2025, Ziaur Rahman Barq supported his grandfather's stance and said he too will not sing Vande Mataram, the national song. Even the two stanzas, the truncated national anthem, the national song, not even the truncated national song. In 2018, there's one more instance. Only one stanza of Vande Mataram was sung at a Congress rally, not even two stanzas. Organizers saying they were waiting for Rahul Gandhi to arrive. In 2019, Madhya Pradesh Congress MLA Arif Masood refused to sing the national song. Again, he cited religious reasons, not even these two stanzas. 2022, Siddaramaiah in Karnataka instructed workers not to sing Vande Mataram at a Constitution Day event. 2025, the Samajwadi Party demanded that the order mandating Vande Mataram in Maharashtra schools be withdrawn. Again in 2025, RJD MLA Saud Alam refused to stand during the national song in the State Assembly. Amit Shah, as the Home Minister of India, while on this debate, he urged all these facts be included in the official record of Rajya Sabha. Listen here.
वंदे मातरम की स्वर्ण जयंती हुई 1937 में। तब जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने वंदे मातरम के दो टुकड़े कर उसको दो अंतरों तक सीमित करने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी की 50वें साल में जो एक प्रकार से वंदे मातरम का महिमा मंडन करने की पद्धति थी, मान्यवर 50वें पड़ाव पर वंदे मातरम को सीमित कर दिया गया। वहीं से तुष्टीकरण की शुरुआत हुई और वो तुष्टीकरण जाकर देश के विभाजन में मान्यवर मेरे जैसे कई लोगों का मानना है कांग्रेस पार्टी को पसंद आए ना आए, अगर वंदे मातरम के तुष्टीकरण की नीति के तहत दो टुकड़े न करते तो देश का बंटवारा नहीं होता और देश पूरा होता। 50 साल के बाद वंदे मातरम 100 साल का हुआ। सबको था कि 100 साल मनाए जाएंगे, 100 साल मनाए जाएंगे, मगर 100 साल हुआ तब वंदे मातरम का महिमा मंडन का सवाल ही नहीं था, क्योंकि वंदे मातरम बोलने वाले जो सारे लोग थे उनको इंदिरा जी ने जेल में बंद कर दिया। इस देश में आपातकाल लगाया गया, आपातकाल लगाया गया। विपक्ष के लाखों लोगों को, लाखों समाज सेवियों को, स्वयंसेवी संगठन के लोगों को जेल में भर दिया गया। कोई कारण के बगैर अखबारों पर ताले लगा दिए गए, यहां तक कि आकाशवाणी में उस वक्त एक ही माध्यम था, आकाशवाणी में किशोर कुमार की आवाज ही नहीं आती थी, ड्यूएट गाने भी लता जी की आवाज में ही आते थे। मान्यवर, पूरे देश को जब वंदे मातरम 100 साल का हुआ, पूरे देश को बंदी बनाकर रख दिया। कुछ लोगों को इसमें दिखता है कि बंगाल में चुनाव आने वाला है, इसलिए वंदे मातरम की चर्चा हो रही है। वो वंदे मातरम के महिमा मंडन को बंगाल के चुनाव के साथ जोड़कर कम करना चाहते हैं। ये सही है कि वंदे मातरम की रचनाकार बंकिम बाबू बंगाल में पैदा हुए, बंगाल में गीत की रचना हुई, और आनंद मठ जिसमें बाद में वंदे मातरम समाहित हुआ, उसकी पृष्ठभूमि भी की बंगाल थी। मगर जब वंदे मातरम का प्रकटीकरण हुआ, वंदे मातरम बंगाल तक सीमित नहीं रहा था, देश तक भी सीमित नहीं रहा था। दुनिया भर में जहां पर आजादी के दीवाने थे, वो गुप्त बैठक भी करते थे, तो पहले वंदे मातरम का गान कर बैठक की शुरुआत। और आज भी सरहद पर हमारा जवान जब अपना सर्वोच्च बलिदान देता है, ये आंतरिक सुरक्षा के लिए देश के पुलिस का जवान सर्वोच्च बलिदान देता है, तो जब वो अपने प्राण त्यागता है, इसके मुंह पर एक ही मंत्र होता है, वो वंदे मातरम।
I quickly want to bring in India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal with the latest on this big story. Aishwarya, the Congress party wanted the Home Minister to authenticate his claims. Has there been a response either from the Congress or the RJD, the Samajwadi Party or the National Conference?
Well, nothing so far. And we have seen, Gaurav, how there have been specific instances, 9 overall, that have been given by the Home Minister. And he specifically said that all these were the points when the opposition, which is the RJD, the Congress and the Samajwadi Party, all three parties did not give the due that Vande Mataram was supposed to be given. And this is exactly why the BJP also wanted to speak about Vande Mataram. The BJP has been saying that the entire opposition and leading from the front has been the Congress, which has not given Vande Mataram the kind of significance and the respect that Vande Mataram actually deserves. And that's the reason why we have seen Home Minister Amit Shah counting out all these areas where we have seen Vande Mataram not being given the due, not one, not two, but 9 overall instances at the moment. Mom from the opposition, Gaurav.